Is this tiny shot of green really the secret to glowing skin, boundless energy, and full-body detox? Or is it just another wellness fad wrapped in pretty packaging? Welcome to TN Media Hub channel. Today we're diving into the truth about wheatgrass. What it is, why it's so hyped, what the science says, how to grow it right in your kitchen, and what you need to know before giving it a try. If you're into natural wellness, health tips, and science-backed insights, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got tons more coming. Wheatgrass is the freshly sprouted leaves of the wheat plant, scientifically called Triticum aestivum. While it's been part of ancient medicine for thousands of years, it gained major popularity in the modern wellness world as a super concentrated health shot. It's consumed as a juice, powder, capsule, or even as part of skincare, and people swear by it for its detoxifying, energizing properties. Let's look at why wheatgrass is even considered a superfood. Here's what you'll find in a small 1-ounce shot of wheatgrass juice. High levels of chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier. Vitamin A, C, and E, powerful antioxidants. Iron, calcium, magnesium, and amino acids. Enzymes like superoxide dismutase, which may reduce oxidative stress. And what's cool is that wheatgrass is said to contain over 90 minerals and essential enzymes that can support the body's natural healing abilities. Now here comes the juicy part. What exactly does wheatgrass do for your body? 1. Boosts energy naturally. Wheatgrass is rich in iron and chlorophyll, which may help increase red blood cell production and improve oxygen flow. 1. Supports detox and liver health. Chlorophyll binds with toxins and helps flush them out. That's why it's popular in juice cleanses. 1. Improves digestion. The enzymes in wheatgrass assist in breaking down food and easing bloating. 1. Enhances skin health. Antioxidants like vitamin C help fight inflammation and promote collagen production. 1. May reduce inflammation. Studies show that wheatgrass may help with conditions like ulcerative colitis due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Now, not all these benefits are fully proven in large-scale human studies. So while some are promising, others still need more scientific backing. You can enjoy wheatgrass in a bunch of ways. The most popular is fresh juice, usually taken as a 1-ounce shot on an empty stomach. Other options include powder form, added to smoothies or water, capsules or tablets for convenience. Frozen wheatgrass cubes, just thaw and blend. Pro tip, wheatgrass has a strong, earthy taste. Mixing it with lemon or pineapple helps cut the intensity. You can find wheatgrass at local juice or smoothie bars, health food stores, farmers markets, online health retailers like Amazon, iHerb, or Thrive Market. And of course, the freshest source, growing it at home. Here's how you can grow wheatgrass on your kitchen counter in under 10 days. You'll need organic wheat berries, not regular wheat flour, a shallow tray or container, potting soil or hydroponic mat, spray bottle, and clean water. Steps. 1. Soak wheat berries overnight. Step 2. Spread soaked seeds over your tray with a layer of soil. Step 3. Mist with water daily. Keep in a warm, low-light place for the first 2 days. Step 4. Once sprouts appear, expose to indirect sunlight. Step 5. Harvest in 7-10 days when grass is about 6 inches tall. Finally, snip, rinse, juice, and boom, homegrown superfood. Wheatgrass is generally safe, but it's not for everyone. Start slow. Some people experience nausea or headaches. Be hygienic. Improperly grown wheatgrass can carry mold. Allergies? If you're allergic to wheat, consult your doctor. Though wheatgrass itself is usually gluten-free if harvested before sprouting grain heads. And remember, wheatgrass is a supplement, not a substitute for a healthy, balanced diet. Now let's bust a few common wheatgrass myths. Wheatgrass cures cancer. There's no scientific proof for that claim yet, but there is no harm in consuming it for this purpose. It replaces vegetables. It's a great addition, but not a replacement for whole foods. Make sure you get all your veggies as required daily. It's a nutrient powerhouse. Yes, but only when used properly and consistently. So ensure regular intakes for full and consistent benefits. So, is wheatgrass a miracle or a myth? Maybe a bit of both. It's certainly packed with nutrients and can give your health a nice boost. Just don't expect it to work magic overnight. If you've tried wheatgrass before, let us know in the comments. Love it or hate it? We want to hear your take. Hit that like button if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more real, practical wellness insights. And if you're ready for more superfood breakdowns, check out our next video. 5 natural energy boosters you can find in your kitchen.